Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Photoshop. So let's get started. First things first, open your Chrome browser and search for dafonts.com. In this website, you can find different types of fonts for your Photoshop works and choose any one you want to download. Currently, I'm choosing Southport. Click on download. The file is downloaded. Click on it. Install. Once the font is installed in your PC, go to Photoshop. Click on Text Tool. Now search for the font you just downloaded. Here I have got my one, Southport regular. Selected it. Now select a place to write. Here you can see my font. Yeah, so the font is in use right now. You can use this font anywhere you want, by any type you want. Now let's show you again. Here the font is already installed in your Photoshop and you can use it whenever you like, anytime you like. So yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.